Imagine logging into work one morning to discover that your project is already planned. Resources are assigned, risks are flagged, deadlines are optimized, and progress is being tracked. This is exactly how AI agents are beginning to replace traditional project managers. AI-driven project management agents go far beyond simple scheduling tools. They continuously analyze timelines, budgets, team performance, dependencies, and real-time data. These agents make autonomous decisions that keep projects moving efficiently. They can break complex goals into actionable tasks. They assign work based on individual strengths and availability. They predict delays before they happen. They automatically adjust plans when unexpected changes occur. In organizations across the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, AI agents are already managing software launches. They manage marketing campaigns, construction workflows, and remote teams. They coordinate people, tools, and timelines with machine-level precision. Unlike human managers, AI agents don't get overwhelmed by complexity. They don't forget details and can monitor thousands of variables simultaneously. They communicate instantly with team members. They generate clear status updates for stakeholders. They resolve bottlenecks and even negotiate priorities between competing tasks. By learning from past projects, these systems improve continuously. They identify patterns that lead to success or failure and apply those insights automatically. However, this shift doesn't eliminate the need for humans. Instead, it transforms leadership roles. Human project managers move into strategic oversight, stakeholder communication, creativity, and ethical decision-making. AI handles execution, optimization, and real-time control. Challenges remain, including trust, transparency, data bias, and accountability when autonomous decisions go wrong. This prompts companies to build human-in-the-loop safeguards and governance frameworks. Over the next decade, AI agents will evolve into collaborative project leaders. They will manage cross-functional teams and other AI systems simultaneously. This will fundamentally redefine how work gets done. The future of project management is no longer about controlling tasks manually. It's about guiding intelligent systems that can plan, decide, and act faster and more accurately than any individual ever could.